Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. Today will be another quarantine content day. We're gonna be taking the E-Class because the CL doesn't have tags. We're gonna go and meet a few friends, benz enthusiasts, and we are going to make a small meet, take a few pictures. So this is not going to be a long of a video, but stick around. The cars there you may like. Okay, we just arrived at the College Point Multiplex, I think it's called. Hopefully you can hear me because it's a bit windy, but I want to show you what people do here. There is a lot of tire marks on this pavement, and we brought the E-Class, so I don't think it's going to be any donuts on our side, but you know, you never know, maybe somebody shows up and want to act stupid, and we can see something fun. So let's wait for the people. I guess I'm the first to arrive, but peep that little Supra back there. There's a Mark V Supra in the back. I don't know if you can see it or hear me for that matter. Just wanted to ask, how do you guys like my quarantine uniform? You know, this car, we gotta keep ourselves protected, so I put the minimum I could, put some sunglasses and put the scarf, and you know, disinfected the steering wheel of the car and stuff before. I am kind of bored now because I'm still waiting for the boys to show up, but let's see how many people come. So I wish we could get more people, but Philas, the guy that has the W140 S500 and W140 CL500, his CL didn't start, so he's coming with Andre. Andre's friend that has another I think it's a S420 W140 body. Pretty nice setup. We're gonna take a look at that car, but let's see who else shows up. You know, I understand because it's not, the time is not right for meets, and considering all that stupid shit going around, I'm kind of lucky that we at least got a few people to join. Hey, stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive, stay home, or do a small meet but be 6 feet apart. Let's see who shows up. Kind of short, but look at Phila doing his own thing right there. You can check some of his videos on his Instagram page. I'll link it down below. It's Phila220. But look at that, he's going around this thing and he posts cool videos, so why don't you go ahead and give him a follow. You should never creep up on these cars. You never know what you may find, because you know, oh shit, oh my god, quarantine ready. So both our cars is what actually showed up. It was a bit underwhelming, but hey, it's quarantine and I understand that people want to stay home and do other things, and we were pretty safe, so we stayed apart, and we took a few nice pictures that I'm going to share with you here, and you can also follow me, Phila and Andre on Instagram, so you can see some more of the pictures from this impromptu meet. If you guys did like today's video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come, some more quarantine content and other projects with my E-Class and my CL. You have a great day. Bye.